Hey, this is Ryan. Today, let's jump in and look at Visa. As you know, Visa engages in the provision of digital payment services to generate its revenue. Going into September, the stock price of Visa has done quite well. But let's take a look at its chart and use some technical analysis tools to determine exactly where the stock price of Visa is going. Let's first take a look at the one-day chart for Visa. As you can see, I already drew in some lines of support and resistance that we can expect to see. For support, we have lines at 211, 212, and 214, 214 and a half really, and then a resistance at 216 that got rejected off of its high. In addition, I kind of drew in a regression channel that we can expect to see, and Visa's kind of been following for the past pretty much 2 weeks, it looks like. As you can see, it's a very high upwards trend. So I think for this, it's only a matter of time before it has a healthy pullback. So potentially we can see that. Another key indicator that we can use to look and see if there's going to be a stock price pullback is the stochastic indicator here. As you can see, the stochastic indicator is in the overbought area and it's leveling out. We might see a pullback slowly into the neutral rating, which is between these two red lines. Below this red line is the oversold area. So we're seeing that there's a rise or overbought, so that there's more buyers potentially than sellers. This is kind of not a stabilized region, so potentially we can see a pullback into a dip. So we need to look at here to see if it pulls back into the neutral rating at least, and with that we might see a dip in the stock price. So that's one thing to look out for. Long term, I'm really bullish on Visa. However, in the short term, I think it's kind of overbought, but potentially that could be a very good opportunity for some short sellers if you see a rejection here. At least I don't expect too much of a dip out of this channel, but I think there will be some, and then that will be a good entry point if you're gonna start a long-term long position. So I would look for that during September. Good luck.
Thanks guys for watching, but remember to like and subscribe for any more technical stock analysis. Also, you can drop a comment for any specific stocks you want me to take a look over.